Hello, friends, Fuel, and I'm back with another great idea that is about stone painting ideas. Stone painting is a unique and creative way to add a personal touch to your home decor. It is a versatile medium that can be used in a variety of ways to add a touch of style to your living space. So, here are some stone painting ideas that you can try to enhance your home decor. Number one is Mandela stone. Mandela stones are a popular choice for stone painting, and they are typically small, round stones that are painted with intricate and colorful mandalas design. These stones can be used as paperweights or decorative items on your coffee table. Number two is inspirational words. You can also paint inspiring words or quotes or stones on stones and place them on your desk or bookshelf. These stones can serve as a daily reminder of positive affirmation or messages that inspire you. Number three is animal themed stones. Another fun idea is to paint animal themed stones, and you can paint animals like birds, cats, dogs, or even insects on the stones, and these stones can add a playful touch to your home decor and your garden decor also. Then number four is seasonal stones. You can also paint stones with seasonal themes. For example, you can paint pumpkins or leaves or on stones for fall or snowflakes for winter. And these stones can be used as a part of your seasonal decoration. Then number five is geometric designs. If you prefer a modern or minimalist look, you can try painting geometric designs or stones. These stones can be used as bookends or paperweights. In conclusion, stone painting is inexpensive and a fun way to add a personal touch to your home decor. And with a little bit of creativity and imagination, you can create unique and beautiful stones that will make your home look stylish and inviting. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it.